1. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $2,998. Located, Smyrna, Tennessee. The 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a remarkable representation of American automotive design in the early 1980s, combining bold styling with a reputation for performance. This particular model, finished in a striking blue exterior with a contrasting black interior, showcases the sporty character that made the Camaro a favorite among enthusiasts. Equipped with a manual transmission, it emphasizes driver involvement, offering a more engaging and connected experience behind the wheel. Despite being driven extensively, with mileage reflecting its long history, the car remains in excellent condition and carries a clean title, a testament to its durability and careful ownership. The body is in good shape, and the vehicle has no significant damage, making it appealing both as a daily driver and as a collectible project. The Camaro's sharp lines, low stance, and aggressive proportions embody the spirit of the muscle car era, while its affordability compared to earlier classics makes it accessible to a wider audience. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1983 Camaro not only for its nostalgic charm, but also for its potential to be restored or customized. Owning this car means embracing a piece of history that blends practicality with performance, ensuring it remains a standout choice among classic American coupes. 2. 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D. Price, $4,200. Located, Fredonia, Kentucky. The 1991 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe 2D is a striking example of early 1990s American muscle, blending bold styling with raw performance. This particular model features an automatic transmission and a vivid orange exterior paired with a charcoal interior, creating a sporty yet aggressive look. Under the hood, it boasts a built 350 engine with aluminum blueprint heads, Holley 4-barrel carburetor, and headers, enhancing its power output and making it a true enthusiast project car. The 22-inch wheels add a modern touch to its classic design, giving it a commanding road presence. While it requires a distributor to be fully operational, the car remains in good shape and offers immense potential for restoration or customization. Collectors and hobbyists appreciate the RS trim for its balance of affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among Camaro fans. With a clean Tennessee title, this vehicle is ready for trade or sale, offering flexibility to buyers. Owning a 1991 Camaro RS means embracing a piece of Chevrolet's legacy, where muscle meets style in a package that continues to inspire admiration. It stands as a reminder of an era when cars were built to deliver excitement, individuality, and a sense of freedom. 3. 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Tudor. Price, $6,850. Located, Mounds, Illinois. The 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Tudor is a classic personal luxury coupe that defined the mid-1970s automotive scene. Known for its long hood, sweeping lines, and elegant proportions, the Monte Carlo combined muscle car heritage with comfort and refinement. This particular example, finished in green both inside and out, showcases the bold styling choices of the decade. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth driving dynamics, while its V8 engine ensures reliable performance. The seller highlights numerous upgrades, including new tires, battery, engine, transmission, and starter, making it a mechanically refreshed vehicle ready for the road. Inside, features like tilt steering and a factory AM/FM radio add to its nostalgic charm. With a clean title and no significant damage, this Monte Carlo represents a well-preserved survivor that continues to capture attention. Collectors value the 1975 model for its blend of style and practicality, offering both cruising comfort and classic appeal. Its affordability compared to rarer muscle cars makes it accessible to enthusiasts seeking a vintage ride with character. Owning this Monte Carlo is about experiencing the elegance of 1970s design, where Chevrolet balanced performance with luxury in a way that remains timeless. 4. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D. Price, $5,000. Located, Junction, Illinois. The 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 Coupe 2D is a bold representation of mid-1980s American performance, carrying forward the Camaro's reputation for speed and style. The Z/28 trim was designed to deliver enhanced handling and aggressive looks, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. This particular example features an automatic transmission and an orange exterior, paired with a clean title and no significant damage. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a 5.3-liter engine and 4L60E transmission sourced from a 2002 Silverado, blending classic Camaro design with modern reliability. This swap enhances performance while ensuring parts availability, making it a practical yet exciting choice for collectors. The body remains in good condition, and the car runs and drives, offering immediate usability with potential for further customization. Enthusiasts admire the 1986 Z/28 for its sharp lines, sporty stance, and cultural significance during the muscle car revival of the 1980s. Affordable compared to earlier classics, it provides an accessible entry point into Camaro ownership. Owning this Z/28 means enjoying a piece of history that bridges past and present, embodying Chevrolet's commitment to performance and individuality. 5. 1959 Ford F-100 Short Bed. Price, $5,500. Located, Bloomington, Indiana. The 1959 Ford F-100 Short Bed is a classic American pickup that embodies durability and timeless design. This particular example features a black exterior with a matching black interior, creating a bold and rugged appearance. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 5.3 V8 LS engine, it blends vintage styling with modern performance upgrades. The truck sits on a Chevy frame, offering improved handling and reliability, while retaining the iconic Ford body lines that collectors admire. Although it currently requires a fuel pump to be fully drivable, it runs well enough to be loaded onto a trailer, making it an excellent restoration project. The body shows minimal rust, with some paint flaking and minor cosmetic imperfections, but overall remains in good condition. Inside, power steering, brakes, and seats add comfort and usability, making this truck versatile for both restoration and customization. Enthusiasts value the 1959 F-100 for its rarity and potential, as it represents an era when trucks were built tough yet stylish. Owning this vehicle is about preserving a piece of history that continues to inspire admiration among collectors and hobbyists. With its clean title and solid foundation, this Ford F-100 stands as a desirable project ready to be brought back to life. 6. 1974 Chevrolet Nova Base. Price, $6,000. Located, Salem, Indiana. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova Base is a classic compact muscle car that captured the spirit of performance and affordability in the 1970s. This particular example is finished in gold with a tan interior, showcasing the bold styling choices of the era. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 350 engine paired with a 350 trans, it delivers strong performance and reliability. The seller notes additional upgrades, including a nitrous plate kit, double hump heads, cam lifters, and a shift kit in the transmission, enhancing its capability for spirited driving. A ratchet shifter, stall converter, and mini spool in the rear end further emphasize its muscle car character. Despite its age, the vehicle runs and drives well, making it both a fun car to own and a potential project for further customization. Collectors appreciate the Nova for its balance of affordability and performance, offering a unique alternative to larger muscle cars of the time. With a clean title and no significant damage, this Nova represents a well-preserved classic that continues to attract enthusiasts. Owning this car means embracing a piece of Chevrolet's history, where compact design met raw power in a package that remains iconic today. 7. 1996 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. Price, $4,200. Located, Evansville, Indiana. The 1996 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D is a full-size American sedan that blends comfort, practicality, and performance. Finished in blue both inside and out, it offers a cohesive and traditional look that reflects Chevrolet's design philosophy of the mid-1990s. Powered by a 4.3 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, the Caprice delivers smooth driving dynamics and dependable performance. With mileage just under 140,000, it remains a solid example of durability. The seller highlights recent maintenance, including a new alternator and newer tires, ensuring reliability for daily use. Inside, features like power windows, locks, and seats add convenience, while the spacious cabin provides comfort for long drives. Although the car shows minor cosmetic issues, such as faded paint and a rust spot on the passenger quarter panel, it retains a clean title and no significant damage. Collectors and enthusiasts value the Caprice Classic for its role as a dependable family sedan that also found popularity in law enforcement fleets. Owning this vehicle means experiencing a blend of practicality and heritage, where Chevrolet delivered a car that was both functional and stylish. Affordable and reliable, the Caprice Classic remains a noteworthy choice among vintage sedans. 8. 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $5,500. Located, Sonora, Kentucky. The 1995 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D represents the fourth generation of Camaro design, blending modern styling with classic muscle heritage. This particular example features a green exterior with a black interior, creating a bold and sporty appearance. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by an LT1 engine paired with a T56 six-speed setup, it offers strong performance and driving excitement. The seller notes additional modifications, including a custom grind cam, 1.6 rockers, and headers that require resealing, enhancing its muscle car character. While it drops oil pressure at idle due to a suspected faulty sensor, the car remains a solid project with immense potential. Enthusiasts appreciate the 1995 Camaro for its balance of affordability and performance, making it a popular choice among collectors and hobbyists. With mileage around 118,000, it demonstrates durability and continued usability. The clean design, aggressive stance, and cultural significance of the Camaro name ensure its lasting appeal. Owning this vehicle is about embracing a piece of Chevrolet's legacy, where innovation and tradition meet in a package that continues to inspire admiration. Affordable yet powerful, the 1995 Camaro Coupe 2D remains a standout among classic American muscle cars. 9. 1973 Ford Maverick. Price, $2,800. Located, Hendersonville, Tennessee. The 1973 Ford Maverick is a compact classic that reflects Ford's effort to deliver affordable performance and practicality during the early 1970s. This particular example features a tan exterior with a matching tan interior, creating a cohesive and understated look that was popular in its era. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a six-cylinder engine, it offers reliable performance and ease of use, making it a practical choice for everyday driving. Despite its modest specifications compared to larger muscle cars, the Maverick gained popularity for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and distinctive styling. The body remains in good condition, and the vehicle runs and drives well, making it appealing to collectors and hobbyists seeking a vintage car with character. Enthusiasts value the Maverick for its simplicity and potential for customization, as it provides a solid foundation for restoration projects or performance upgrades. With its clean design and dependable mechanics, the 1973 Maverick represents an era when compact cars were becoming increasingly important in the American market. Owning this vehicle is about embracing a piece of Ford's history, where practicality met individuality in a package that continues to attract admiration. Affordable and charming, the Maverick remains a noteworthy choice among classic compact cars. 10. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price, $11,000. Located, Ashland City, Tennessee. The 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a bold personal luxury coupe that blends classic styling with modern performance upgrades. This particular example features a blue exterior with custom flip-flop paint, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. Under the hood, it has been swapped with a fresh 5.3 engine, cammed for added performance, and paired with a built 4L60 transmission and 3K stall converter. The car sits on 24-inch Rucci wheels with matching designs, enhancing its aggressive stance and road presence. Inside, it has been fitted with upgraded coilovers and audio enhancements, including DS18 speakers, making it both stylish and functional. Despite needing minor tinkering, the vehicle runs great and offers immense potential for enthusiasts who appreciate modified classics. The Monte Carlo's clean body lines and cultural significance during the 1980s make it a desirable choice among collectors and hobbyists. Owning this car means embracing a blend of tradition and innovation, where Chevrolet's luxury coupe heritage meets modern customization. With its firm cash price and willingness to consider trades, this Monte Carlo represents a unique opportunity to acquire a standout classic that continues to inspire admiration. 11. 1961 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Price: $5,500. Located: Louisville, Kentucky. The 1961 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D is a legendary personal luxury car that defined elegance and innovation in the early 1960s. Finished in beige with a tan interior, this example showcases the refined styling that made the Thunderbird a standout in its era. Equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a V8 engine, it delivers smooth performance and a commanding presence on the road. The vehicle remains largely rust-free, with only minor surface rust in some areas, making it an excellent candidate for restoration. The seller notes that it runs, drives, and stops as it should, with fresh servicing ensuring reliability. Collectors value the 1961 Thunderbird for its cultural significance, as it represented Ford's commitment to combining luxury with performance. Its distinctive design, including sculpted lines and a spacious interior, continues to attract admiration among enthusiasts. Owning this car is about preserving a piece of history that embodies sophistication and individuality. With its clean title and solid foundation, the Thunderbird offers immense potential as a winter restoration project or a stylish classic cruiser. Affordable yet iconic, the 1961 Thunderbird remains a timeless choice among vintage American coupes.